it's a lot more comforting for a candlestick investor to be able to see what the psychology is in the candlestick signals. As we can see, this trend right here was relatively stable because it was staying right with the T line. Had one big down day. The investors saw they weren't taking it down, came back stronger. Now they're right back on the same trajectory, still waffling right along here along the T line. Last few days of trading, we had a morning star signal, hammer signal, told us that they weren't wanting to take it down. They were bringing it back up. We're still above the T line. Now we're looking for the possibility of a breakout through this level that could take the Dow up on a much stronger trajectory. And the NASDAQ did a bullish engulfing signal right here on the T line. Once again, the T line's been a very important factor, and the signals when they closed below the T line, doji, gap back up, told us they were bringing it right back up. Same trajectory as before. Continue to stay long in this market, but the fact that we can see that you want to stay long in this market makes it very easy to get into some price patterns that are working well. NOR, doing a nice little scoop pattern. Here's the handle. Pulls back, hammer, gap up, another gap up through the T line. Again, the T line has a resistance level, now has been gapped through. Good possibility they'll come back up and test the recent highs. This one is going to be bought on positive trading tomorrow. And also, with the fact that the market's in a steady uptrend, we can start following big patterns like the fry pan bottom. Notice the pullback over here was indecisive. Doji, 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 gap up. The trajectory of this fry pan bottom, after bouncing off of a left-right combo, a doji followed by a bullish engulfing signal off the 50-day moving average, this still makes this a very high probability, high profit trade potential. And URI coming out of a little fry pan bottom, closing at its high, right above the highs of the previous highs. If this opens stronger tomorrow, this makes for a perfect wave 1, wave 2, being able to identify the start of a wave 3 and a very strong price move. Candlestick analysis just makes a very visual concept of what's going on in investor sentiment, very easy to identify, and what type of strengths you'll have when it comes to support and resistance levels. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat room.